guys, and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be short because it's going to be about changing the oil. There's my car, there's my oil, there's my oil filter, and there's my tools and another box of tools. And this box contains the things that you've been all telling me to buy, and it is, yes, jack stand. Get a jack stand. I can't look the way you work on that jack. Get a stand. Come on, they're not expensive. Buy them. So I finally bought them. I'm gonna see how they perform today. Nice color scheme. There were some orange ones and I think green ones and blah blah blah, but I went for this black and blue. As you can see, it's very nice blue. And this package is for another video because it contains oil filter, a tiny oil filter, HF113. It's for my Honda Varadero. So I'm not gonna show you the whole process again. I'll try and fix that as well, because it just doesn't look good. If I can just put some zip ties and yeah, so I'm not gonna show you the whole process. I'm gonna mount the camera over there probably and turn on like a hyperlapse or something. So, and then I'll tell you, oh, it took that much time, and you will see sort of what's gonna happen here. Yeah. So yeah, let's begin. So I'm just gonna mount it here, point it there, and then I'm gonna start the clock, and I'm gonna start changing the oil. There we go, fixed, sort of. That's it. It's probably the best it'll be. And then this is my first time doing the hyperlapse, so bear with me. This might not be good. You can see the price update on Ethereum is rising, and also Bitcoin is rising. Like 2 years ago I bought some Bitcoin for 200 quid, and it's now up on the rise. So I'm just waiting to be a millionaire instantly. So these are rated, as you can see, to 3 tons, and that is 1 ton. So I think I'm fine. Always wanted these because of this. So you jack up the car and you just lift it, boop, put the car down, that's it. When you're done, you're done. That's why I always wanted these. There's probably more expensive ones. These ones were like I want to say 20 quid, maybe 25 quid. I'm guessing here because I don't know. I'm gonna say 23 quid 99, maybe. Okay, so yeah, you don't need to see this process. I'll just put some nice music on there and I'll get on with my business. And I'll change the oil. I'm gonna show you what the oil is for new people who have not seen the previous video, so you don't have to go and find the previous video. You can just watch this one, and then if you like what you see, you can go and find another video which is more detailed. Okay, so 5W40 Audi, and the one you're looking for is 50200 or 50501. That's a 12 month cycle oil. That's what I'm using. I think this was like 19 quid or 20 quid, I don't remember. So that's the oil I'm going to be using, and you get 5 liters for that, so it's a very good value. And the filter is going to be this thing. Where's the number? I don't know where the number is. Is there a number? There are a few numbers, so there you go. Those are the numbers if you're looking for that filter. And that's it. Enough of the information. Now I can get on with my changing the oil. Okay, that's it. See you in a bit. So that was just me changing fixing the lower skirt of the bumper, and it took me 40 minutes or something probably. And now I'm gonna change the oil. My hands are already dirty, and yeah, so I fixed the bumper. I will put the video in now. Like, why didn't use the black ones? Because the bumper is black and you had the black ones, so I didn't use. So you saw. See? That's what I've been doing for 40 minutes. Now I'm gonna change the oil. Okay, so it's been 23 minutes for the oil change, and it now has been changed. And so it was 12 minutes to fix the bumper with stitches, and 23 minutes to change the oil. So if you take into account all the stuff that I've got here, it happened in 10 minutes. So to clean that up, it's another 10 minutes. And what else did I want to say? Oh yeah, I'll probably have not much left on my turbo, because it's, by the looks, it is spitting oil that was dry when I changed the intercooler. But basically, I don't know, a year ago, and now it's all greasy, as you can see. So I'm guessing the turbo is letting a little bit of oil through, and I will need probably a new turbo at some point. I'm not gonna wait until it explodes. I'm gonna have to change it. And the turbo is hidden there. Let me just... It is there somewhere underneath that. I don't know what that is, because I'm not a mechanic. Okay, that's it, yeah. So, like I said, 10 minutes to get all your tools out, then 20 minutes to change the oil, and 10 minutes to get your tools back. So if you're doing this first time, give yourself an hour, maybe even more. Give yourself an hour to change the oil, and that's it. And now I need to reset the service, because I've got service on there, so I need to reset it. Is there service on there? Service, see? So I need to reset that. I have no idea how to do that without wag back home. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.